Good morning. Hey, I wanted to show you guys something that our friends over at Jensen of Jensen Manufacturing Solutions have whipped up for Jensen Transport. So these seats are actually Sears seats. I believe they're made in Davenport, Iowa, which is great to support an Iowa company. If you're with Sears seats, you should probably turn off the video right now. In general, the seat controls are horrible. They suck. If I'm going to use a word, you should probably start bleeping the video right now. So this is the piece that comes on them. See how cheap that is? These two little slots here where the bolts go. Right here where these things sit. It's supposed to sit like there, like that, and sit in there. It has such little plastic in there. This thing is junk. It breaks in about no time at all. I would say less than a month. I mean, because where the seat sits on it, pushes down, snaps that thing right off. It's junk. So anyway, our friends over at Jensen Manufacturing Solutions, or GEMS, whipped out this little piece on the laser, powder coated it, mounted the switches back in there, sits right in there, out of the way of the driver, smooth edge, all that stuff. So there's no sharp points or controls. This thing will last forever. Was it expensive? Not really. Could we, have them make 100 of them? Without a doubt. How long would that take? Not long. So if you're looking for, if you got a problem and somebody makes a horribly designed piece of equipment, and you're like, if I can just find somebody to take this little thing, just turn it, cut it flat, bend it, powder coat it, put it on there so I never have to deal with it again. So my life is better, my drivers' lives are better, everybody's life is better through that. Contact Jensen Manufacturing Solutions. They do a great job, and thank you for watching.